Hello, 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 hello. We're here.
We back, back. I think we're back.
Jose
I
got a
think we're
new
back.
office space.
I got a new office space. Of course, my horse. What do I have? I think I got a bike. I go biking.
Yeah.
All that stuff, bro. Yes, sir. Little sofa, sir. Dude, I got a funny story about that, bro. About
Okay.
biking.
What happened?
Well,
Let
not
me know.
funny, but like little interesting. I went
Okay.
spinning. I went
You went
spinning for the first
spinning.
time. Yes,
What do you
sir.
mean by that?
Uh,
Like intentionally
like
you spun or like what's
No,
spinning?
like
Like
spinning, like the gym spinning where they have the little bikes, like the little
oh, like
room with like
cycling.
bikes and stuff. Yeah,
Like a spinning
cycling.
class, a
I think.
spinning class.
Yeah,
Yes.
there we
Okay,
go.
okay.
Spinning. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah, my
okay.
girlfriend convinced me because she's started going again.
Was this
So she was like,
recently?
come. It was recent. It
Okay,
was
you recently
Friday, I
went
think.
on a
Friday.
Friday. This actually really recent.
Yeah,
That was two
yeah,
days
really
ago.
recent. 2 days ago, yes, sir.
Or
And my
one,
girlfriend
two.
convinced
Yeah.
me.
Okay. So keep going. Sorry.
My girlfriend convinced me, bro.
Uh huh.
Dude, bro, I don't know how to feel about that. I thought, because I like running. I was like, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. Dude,
Yeah.
yeah, my legs were destroyed, bro. My legs were numb, dude. I had some cramps and everything. And my girlfriend was just like walking the park, dude. It was crazy.
Wow.
But now the instructor had some music, some Mexican music that was like really like high beat Mexican music, and
Uh
everybody
huh.
was going like super fast. And you got the señoras in there, and everybody going super fast and
Senoras.
everything. Yeah, señoras, the little
Senoras.
yeah,
What do you mean? What is
elderly,
maybe my
the
definition
elderly
of
people.
senoras are a little bit
Uh-huh.
different than you.
What's your
I
definition?
know.
We'll see, we'll
Whoa,
see,
whoa,
we'll
whoa!
see.
Do you're asking too many
What is
questions?
it?
Too many questions, bro. What the?
No, no,
But
but si
that's why
quieres,
when you
mira,
said it, I was like, "Excuse me? Like, what do you mean by that?"
no, what I'm being about is like elderly people, like around
Okay.
50s, 40s,
Okay.
a little older people. Dude, they were going all out, bro, intensity, bro. I'm over here buffing, cuffing in the back, bro. Damn,
Buffing and
dude, and
cuffing. Dang.
yes, sir.
So what do
Nah,
you
but
rate your
then the truck,
experience?
huh?
Sorry, what do you rate your experience?
Oh, I don't know. I would say. It's an environment you gotta get used to it because it's more like a clubbish because they have the lights dim with a lot of
Okay.
like little lasers and stuff like that to get you in the mood.
Lasers.
Yes, bro, it's crazy, bro. It's like a
What?
little disco in there, dude, with the different music and the lights are adaptive to the music. So like if the music stops, like all the lights dim out, and when the beat
Yeah.
comes in, all the lights go up, bro. It's crazy. But it's really like an interesting environment in there. But overall, I rated like an 8-ish, 7-ish, because it was
8-ish,
nice. It was a
7-ish.
good workout in there. But of course, you had to get used to it. And then
Yeah.
you know, the little seats, bro, they were really tiny, bro. And my buttocks was hurting, bro. I was like, oh, bro, I got,
See now,
but
that's
that,
something I'm curious about is like the seats, like they're known, like I've known, always known bike seats, like they're very
yeah,
uncomfortable. How come that's never
yeah.
been like a there's never been a solution to that? Like what? Why do you have
Ooh,
crappy, uncomfortable seats on a
that is
bike?
true. That
Like,
is
does
true.
that make sense? Like,
Yeah, that no, I get you. And I felt that this Friday when I went there, cause the seats, bro, they were like too tiny, bro, and
yeah.
it was hurting my butt. And I was like, dude, what the heck? And I was
So,
thinking about the same thing, and I think it's just to make them like unisize, so can like there's a size for every for like a general size of a seat, so like nobody would be like complaining and stuff, right?
mm,
More like shoes. You know how shoes have different sizes, but instead of having like
no, but
different sizes, they just
I
have
get
one.
you. Hear me out.
Yeah, yeah.
How long has it been since a bike has been invented?
I mean, that is true. That is true.
And
It's been a couple
why are
years, a couple
we
decades.
suffering from these stupid little seats, and there's not adjustable. Like, yeah, there's vertical adjustable.
Yeah,
From my knowledge, by the
yeah,
way,
but not like
like I said,
yeah,
I don't research bikes. Like I'm not
yeah.
in
Same
tune
here.
with the
Same here.
newest bikes right now. But from what we've known and currently your experience that you had on Friday, like the
Yeah,
seats are
yeah.
still trash. Like why are we still
They're still
dealing
trash, bro.
with trash bike seats? It's
Yeah, yeah.
2025, man. Like that's ridiculous. Like, yeah, you
Like
said you want
adjustable.
all sides
Yeah,
fits all on the seats, but no, like there should be
yeah.
adjustable width on your seats. So there should be some cushion. I don't know what could solve it, but
Some
that's
cushions, some
ridiculous. How
white.
long
Yeah,
have seats been? I mean, how long
I
have
mean,
bikes been? Like, how long has it been
for
since
a
it's been
couple
created?
decades, couple,
And we still
couple,
haven't
couple
found a way
decades.
to make it more comfortable. So like, what's the
Yeah.
point of the seat on it? Might as well take out the damn seat. If let's say what they say is like, oh well,
You're just gonna have the
you're not
rod,
meant to
bro.
sit on
Nah.
it, and you're not. It's just there for show. Okay, then why have the damn seat on it? The most
It's just
uncomfortable
extra
seat
weight.
on the damn bike. All right. Anyways, I'm done.
Yeah. No, no, but I feel you though, because it's a weird shape too. You know, it's like a triangle form and everything. It's like very. It's I don't know. I don't know why they made it like a triangle seat. It's just maybe just like to hold you in there. I don't think it's like really meant to seat. I don't know, right? But like for sure, I just don't like that. Those seats, bro, they're like spikes, and I don't like them, dude. That's what like
Yeah.
my experience went a little bit, you know, down because I thought I was, I was suffering in there. I was suffering,
Yeah,
but
that's ridiculous.
that
Especially if
yeah,
it's a cycling class and like you're not actually
exactly, bro,
moving, like you're actually
exactly,
stationary.
yeah,
Your
yeah,
wheels are spinning, but like you're stationary, right? But
yeah,
why
yeah.
not make the best seat ever that you could sit
Ever, uh-huh,
in that
uh-huh.
scenario? But no, we want to
Yeah,
have a all size fits all seat
yeah,
that you're gonna feel the next day if you don't bike all the time. And I'm
yeah,
pretty sure the instructor, like they're probably like sitting up like the whole
yeah,
time, like not even on the seat. So take out the damn seat.
yeah. Exactly.
Anyways,
No,
I'm
and I
done,
mean,
man.
yeah, maybe you just have to get used to it or something to get used to it. But for sure, for like a beginner like myself, to get like sit down for it to feel like your butt being like pinched by
Yeah.
spikes, it's not a great
No.
experience.
Hey, bro.
It's not
I
really a
know
great
that feeling,
experience.
man. I
Yeah,
when
and
I would do some.
especially like
Keep going. Keep going.
and like the cushion of the seats, bro. There's no cushion. That thing, bro, is just pure plastic covered by like leather type deal, like 3 centimeters of leather. There's no cushion, no nothing. It's just a bad experience for the first come, So I
Yeah,
don't
man.
know. I just don't like it,
Yeah, it's
But that it
ridiculous.
was alright. It was alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm very passionate about this issue because like
No,
I've
yeah,
experienced the
yeah,
same thing. Like you're very uncomfortable riding around on your damn bike. You got this
yeah.
seat. You're like, oh, let me sit down. Nope, don't sit down on the damn seat
And boom,
because you're
sit
gonna
down,
hurt.
bro.
And let's say you do kind of you get adjusted to like the discomfort. The next day it's gonna be
Yeah.
even worse. You're gonna be sore. You're gonna be
Bro, you're
so
gonna be
sore,
sore, brother. You're gonna be
and
sore.
you're not gonna be able to move. And it's just
Yeah.
a big like it. Oh, it's just so annoying,
It's
tedious. So
annoying to
so
think
my
of.
question is, why isn't there a yeah? I've seen seats. Don't get
Like,
me wrong. I've seen like there's like very memory foam seats that you could buy, whatever.
yeah,
But this should be
yeah,
default. This shouldn't be no damn.
yeah.
I gotta go buy a damn seat
Buy like
from
an
where do you buy it at?
accessory.
Walmart? I don't know where you would buy it at. A bike
Maybe.
store? They're gonna charge you
Yeah,
$200 for the damn seat.
it's gonna
And
cost more than the
anyways,
bike itself,
yeah, and then like, anyways, why isn't it a default thing? Why do we gotta buy a
dude.
seat if
You
there's
do
seats
bring a
like
good
that are very
point.
comfortable? Anyways, I'm done. That's it.
Yeah, it's all good, brother. It's all good.
Ah,
But yeah,
all right.
no, I rate my experience a 7 out of 10. It's a great workout, but the seating and stuff is.
Oh,
But I mean, but we're back though. We're
okay.
back with
We're
another
back.
stream. I know we started off a little strong with a couple of opinions about seating. But hey, we back though. We back for another stream. We back for another stream, another weekly stream. If you guys see me standing and see my audio a little bit wonky, it's because I'm not at home right now. I needed to, for a couple reasons, I'm not home. But hey, we're here though. We bring you guys another stream, weekly stream. We try our best to do everything to get you guys a weekly stream. And for those reasons, I know Carlos and I decided to do one problem today. One, nice problem, break it down, talk about it, and just have a great time here. And but yeah, how you been, Carlos? How's your week? How's life going?
It's been good.
Yes,
I want to
sir.
respond to Jorge. Did I say it? Oh man, I'm
Ooh,
a
yeah,
disgrace,
Jorge,
man.
Jorge, Jorge.
Jorge.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You
Um,
got it.
I hope the volume sounds a little bit better. It's kind of tricky. I do agree with you, like with Jose's mic, and I can't directly hear how Jose's volume is on the stream, so I'm just judging by the audio bar that I see. So let me know if it's too loud or too low, or who to adjust. I'll fix it up. But anyways, my week, I'm gonna keep it short because we already talked a lot. It was
Hey,
good. I went to a Shane Gillis comedy show. Really fun, really cool. My
ooh,
first
how
ever
was
comedy
that? That
show.
was
It was
good.
really nice.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it was first ever
Alrighty.
comedy show. I've seen a couple of his like skits or whatever you want to call it,
Uh-huh.
and I thought it was pretty funny. But the main reason why is because my dad, he watches a lot of comedy stuff.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
for his birthday plus Christmas, I was like, you know what? Maybe just get him some tickets. So he went
A
to go
two for
get.
one.
Yeah, 2 for 1. We went to go watch it, and yeah, it was a great time. It was cool. And then let's see what else. That's about it. I play basketball right now.
Ooh,
I
baby.
barely slept, but I made sure to go play some basketball. So I'm a little bit bruised up. There was
Ooh,
this
fast, bro.
this guy. Oh
Ooh,
man, I don't
fast.
even want to bring it up, but this guy like sideswiped me. I don't know how to explain it, but like I was reaching for a ball, like running towards the ball, and
Yeah.
he just comes out of nowhere, boom, like a blindside hit.
Ooh, yeah.
But
Ooh,
like he
fast,
like
bro.
barely scrapes me, so I still get hit. But like thankfully I'm not on the
Yeah,
ground. Like like I'm not damaged, but definitely concussed, if
yeah.
you will. But
Ooh, fast,
I kept the
bro.
play going. Gotta
Yeah,
keep the
yeah.
play going, bro. Whenever you're playing street ball or whatever park ball, you can't be no crying baby type.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
there's no ref in there.
Yeah, there's no
You know,
ref. Like you're not
there's
gonna
no
be
ref, there's no
crying
rules. It's
and stuff like that.
yeah.
I played a guy at that same park with an ankle monitor on, bro. That's the type of
Yeah,
stuff
you
we're
were
on.
telling me.
Yeah, that's the type like I don't ask questions. Don't
Damn,
get me
bro.
wrong. I don't ask
You just
questions,
move.
bro.
You just
I'm
accept
just,
it and
hey,
move on.
are you a good shooter? Boom. You know, can you shoot the
Easy.
ball?
Yeah,
Boom. Yeah, you're on my team. I'm not asking
Yeah.
any more questions
Yeah.
after that.
No questions. Just accept it and move on.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
will say it
Alrighty.
was a little intimidating. I will say that. But other
Yeah.
than that, we still play ball. But
Yeah.
anyways, so a little bit
Hey.
banged up. That's about it. Tired. Anyways, that was
Alrighty.
my week. Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, brother. I'm ready.
Okay, so we're still doing the LeetCode stuff, and we're on 1D dynamic programming, and we're about to do
Yeah.
the word
We need
break.
two more. Two more.
Two
Two more.
more, two more, and we're about to do
What?
the word break problem. So let's get that
Yes,
started. Jose,
sir.
please read if you want.
Alrighty, I got you, I got you. So this is word break, problem 139. It's a medium, and it says the following: given a string S in a dictionary of string word dict, return true if S can be segmented into a space-separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. Note that the same word in the dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. Example one: we have an input of S, LeetCode, and oh,
What happened? Jose, stay with me, Jose. All right, Jose's gone. So I'm gonna take over. I don't know where he was at, but note that the same word in the dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. Example one, we have input S, which is LeetCode, comma, word dict equals. Excuse me, I'm confused. Equals array leet, comma code. and the output is true. Oofas, bro. I know, man. Example 2. S equals apple, pin, apple. And then in there you have apple, comma, pin. Returns true because apple, pin, apple can be segmented as apple, pin, apple. Note that you're allowed to reuse the dictionary word. I got a live update from Jose. Jose said computer died. Alright, Jose's on his way back.
Yup, yup,
So,
yup, 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 yup.
yo, you here?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I apologize for that. I apologize for that.
All good, man.
My
It
computer
happens.
died. Computer died on me. I didn't bring my charger with me this weekend, so
Oh,
I'm using another one. But I
dang.
think, yeah, I'm using another charger, and hopefully this one works. So,
All
hey,
right.
we're still here though. We're still here though. We're still here.
Hey, if you
We're
need
here.
to, join on your phone.
Yeah, that's last resort, but
Last
I'll,
resort.
if it comes, if we need to, I'll join there. We'll make the stream happen, of course.
All right.
Yes, sir. But I'm back. I'm back. I know we got some people in the chat. We got Jorge, Ali, and Butter. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. All right, alrighty. Where do I leave off? Sorry.
I
Okay.
think you
I was
would
reading the
the note. I don't know.
example. Yeah,
Read the
I'll just
example.
restart over. Yeah. So example 1, we got input S, LeetCode, and WordDict with the words lead and code. And the output is true. Explanation, return true because LeetCode can be segmented as LeetCode, no space in between. Example 2, we got apple, pen, apple with a word dictionary of apple pen. Explanation, return true because apple, pen, apple can be segmented as apple, pen, apple. Note that you are allowed to reuse a dictionary word. Reuse a dictionary word. Example 3, cats, cats and dog. Cats and dog. Word dig, and then we got a word dictionary of cats, dog, sand, and cat.
You with me? You with me? Stay with me, Jose. Stay with me, Jose.
Hello.
Yo.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, but there's an echo.
Yeah. Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
Alright.
Dude, okay. This is gonna be a fun stream. This is gonna be a fun one for sure. Alright, I'm here. Okay, so I think I read over the 3 examples.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know if you want to reread it for your own, Carlos, because I was interrupted a couple
No,
times here and there.
I was reading
I don't
it
know
when
if
you were
you.
gone. I was reading it, so
Okay.
yeah.
Alrighty.
So,
So how do you feel about it?
we have WordDict, which has words in it. And
Yep.
we're gonna go through S and find all the possibilities of words that are presented in S. But of course they have to be they can't be like scrambled around, like it needs to be like a sequential or consecutive characters that make a word.
Yes. Yeah. Pretty much.
Okay.
Yes.
But the trick is,
Yeah.
how are you gonna do it dynamically?
Yeah. So I was thinking of 2 ways, right? One of them could be we could do it like letter by letter, right? We can use if L is in part of LeetCode, if it's found in the dictionary,
Okay.
or LE or LEE or LTT. Once we find one, we can say all right, that's part of the dictionary, right? And we can restart the counter at C, right? And go CODE to find code.
Okay.
Yeah, we go one by one until we append letters.
But
Right? Yeah.
this one is a little bit more tricky right here because you can
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
cats, but then you also have
Yeah.
sand.
Sand.
You
Yep.
also
Yep.
have
Yep.
and, so that like you could say cat, and then you're like, okay, then we go to S, and now
Yeah.
you're like SAN sand, and then now you're on D, and then, but maybe I'm getting confused.
Yeah. So what I think is like we have to find right each of the well, not each of the words, but like all of the letters in here can need to be or have to be segmented or can be segmented into words that are inside like word dictionary. For example,
Yeah.
we can get sand, but we can get cat, sand, but then we have OG left off. And OG is not part of the dictionary.
No.
So that's false. Because yeah or nay? Yeah or nay?
No, I get it. I get you. I'm just
Yep, yeah, yeah.
confused as the
So
implementation.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, because it's gonna be a little bit hard trying to figure out like where to stop or how to even get the words here and figure out if they're even in the string, right?
Wait
Yes,
a
yes,
minute.
yes.
Wait, no, no, no. Wait a minute.
Mhm.
No, no, no. That wouldn't. No, no. I don't know about that one. So
You don't know about that one?
recursively,
Yeah,
how would that work? How would you even do this recursively? Like, you see a letter T and you're like,
yeah,
oh,
that,
T. T. We found
yeah,
out that T has no words in it, so we return back up. C. Oh, C has a
yeah,
letter. Has the letter CAT in it.
yeah.
And then like you go to the next one,
Yeah,
cats, is that in the thing? And oh, it is. And then boom.
I'm back. I'm back. Sorry, my boy. Sorry. I'm
Hello,
back.
hello.
I'm getting a burger from this place that's next to my grandma's house. Ooh,
Is
but
it called
bro, they make them
stars?
good, bro. Stars? No.
What's it called?
It's called
I don't want the
I forgot.
translation.
Oh, Los Corrales, which is like
Don't tell me
to be honest, I don't. Let me see. Let me search it up,
what. You don't know what that means.
bro. I just know what it is, but I don't know like the translation in English.
The
Okay, I
guys?
see.
No.
Okay.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Huh?
I'm guessing. I'm guessing.
I won't tell you. I
What
won't
is?
tell you. I
What's the
won't tell you.
word
I won't
again?
tell you.
What's the name?
Los Corrales. Los Corrales.
So it's talking about things. Like it's a group of things.
Okay.
It's like things, but it could
Okay.
be
Yeah.
people. It could be groups. It could group
They could be
los. I feel
people.
like
Yeah.
los is like
Uh-huh.
those things. What was the last one?
Okay. Be close.
Co-
Corrales.
That almost sounds like
Corrales.
the running word, but not doesn't sound like it
Mm,
entirely. So we run. No, no,
no.
no, 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 no. Don't tell me. But it's people. It's okay. I don't know what it is. What is it?
It's like it's like the farmyard or here in Google it says like pen, like where you put like a space for like livestock or like cattle, like in a farm place.
I was
It's
close.
like you have to like your cattle or something like that. Yeah, you were close. You were
No,
close.
I was
You know,
not
and when
close,
you
bro. I
you were
wasn't
close.
close,
You're
man.
close. It's like the plural in groupie. You know, like it was referring to like a grouping of like pen houses or livestock. You know, so you were
Okay,
close
okay,
around there.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Dude, I'm
All
telling
right.
you, all I need, like, let me hang out someone that knows Spanish and will speak Spanish to me. I could literally like pick it up. Like give it a year.
I
Like
think
a
you can,
year
bro. I
of
think you
someone
can.
just speaking Spanish
Yeah,
to me, I'll pick it up
yeah,
easily. Now speaking it,
yeah,
that's a different story.
yeah. But you can understand though.
I can understand.
Like you
Yes.
will
Yes.
learn to understand. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Alrighty, I got you. Yeah, one of these days, bro, I'm just gonna come in there and be like, "Yo, what up? You know, in Spanish?
Uh
Get
huh.
our communication in Spanish, bro."
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for that day.
Yeah. There.
Okay, we're
Alrighty, it's
back.
gonna come soon. It's gonna come soon. It's gonna come
We're
soon. All
back.
right,
We're
we're back.
back.
We're back. We're back. We're back. So, what I was thinking, my planning, right? You said like it's gonna be hard to figure out um in doing letter by letter. But remember that coin problem we did the other stream where we used a for loop in the coins that we had, and we just figured out like which coins are gonna give us like negatives or zeros, and if
Yes.
those coins give us negative, we just skip them, right? So we can use the same approach with the for loop, right? We
Okay.
can loop through each of these words, right? Lead code, lead and code, right? And we can get its length, right? For example, let me draw something here. For example, we got, let's say we're starting at I, right? Zero, position zero, which is I, which is L, right? Like that, boom. And then we get lead code, right? We loop through the lead code, and this is the first one we're in. Lead and lead has a size of 4, right? We say, alrighty, give me the substring of I plus 4. What's that substring? Lead. Is lead in the dictionary? Yes. Okay. It's in the dictionary, right? Because it's 0 plus 4, or 0 plus 3, by the way. Well, yes, 4, but we're gonna subtract 1 because it's an indices. So it's gonna give us lead code, lead. These 4 letters. Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Right? Because we start at I0, we add 4, but since to adjust it to the indices 0, we subtract 1, so we have 0 plus 3, which gives us lead. Then we check, is lead a word in the dictionary? Right? Well, it is, right? It's lead. It's there. So we then say, alrighty, this is true. Send code now, right? We send now this substring into the next call. Yeah or nay?
Yay.
Yeah. And so we do the same thing with code. We get the indice. In this case, it's gonna be indice 4, and we check again. Is lead indice? We loop through the dictionary. We get lead. We get the length, which is 4. Now we say, all right, 4 plus 4 minus 1 is going to give us code. Is code lead? Well, no, it's not lead. So we leave, or it's not. It's yes, it's part of the dictionary, right? Part of the dictionary, which is code. So we return true. That true gets returned into the other true, and we solve the equation. That's the approach I was thinking about, right?
But okay, I guess
Okay.
I didn't know you could access this right here.
Yeah, because I think they're gonna give it as the input, right? So it's
Okay.
gonna be part of the function. So we're gonna kind of be able to loop through it, right? And if we want, we can break it down into a tree, a decision tree, right? So
Oh.
here we got our word LeetCode, right? LeetCode, right? In our dictionary has the words lead and the word code, right? Like that, boom. Then we start there. The first little dot, that's our beginning place. And we say, alrighty, here we have position I, which equals 0. Right here we can go 2 ways, right? We can go to the left, which means that the word contains lead, or we can go to the right, meaning that the word contains code, right? So we choose, pick and choose, right? Either way, we're gonna iterate through lead and code, right? So we go to iterate to lead, which is a size 4, and we go right? Since it's I, right? We start at 0. We add 4 minus 1 to adjust it to the 0 indice, right? And we get the word LeetCode, Leet, right?
Yes.
So guess what? We go to the left side, boom, right? But now in here, now we just have the word code, right? Because we already got rid of the leet, right? Because
Yeah.
we already know it's part of this string, right? So we go soon, right? Now we got leet and we got code. Right? And then we figure it out. Code leet, right? We know it's not for sure. We don't have it. Code, it is there, right? Boom. So we return true. We return true. Boom. That's the approach I was thinking about. Implementation wise, I don't know. I don't know how to implement this, but I was, thinking of this here and there.
Okay.
What do
I
you think?
like
Well,
it.
any thought?
I like it because it it from what it seems it thinks about this test case where you have overlapping words that could be
Yeah,
made.
yeah, yeah.
So if you say cat and then you're like, all right, cat is to the left or whatever, and then like you go there, and then now you get the remainder, right? Or am
Yeah,
I
yeah.
misunderstanding that?
No, yeah, you get the remainder. Yeah, you get you kind of like strip apart the other, like the word that we found. Yeah, we just get the substring of there and beyond.
Okay.
Yeah, or the remainder. Yes, yes.
But as for implementing it,
Yeah,
that's different.
it's a little bit different for sure.
So do you think this is we need to cover some more bases on this idea, or
Uh, I think, hmm, I think I would like to do example 3 as a decision tree to figure out what we can do, right? Because I haven't really worked on example 3, and example 3 is a really like the really nice case to try it out and see what we can do, what other observations we can see, right? So if you're down, I'm down to do run example 3, learn a couple things here and there. But I think the implementation or this approach, right, it's good, right? But I'm not sure how to implement it. Yes, sir.
all
So
right?
that's why
Let's
I
run
want to do
through.
example 3 too.
Yeah, let's run through example 3 then.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do it right here down. Here I'm just gonna type it because it's a lot of words. So we're gonna do cat, sand, dog, right? I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. All right, and we got a dictionary of boom. That's our dictionary over here. Oh, it is too big. Right, boom. Got something like that. And we got cats, dog. You got
Eat.
2 options. Got 4 options right here. Expand these. And boom. Okay. Got something like that. Something like that. So here, what I would do, right, is like we're gonna loop through cat since that's the first word that we find.
Okay.
So we go boom, right, and we go to cat. We go here, and we send in sand log, right? And again, since we still have the same options, right? I'm gonna rewrite this because I know You're gonna complain here in a little bit.
Hey.
Sand dog. Okay, so here we can get sand, right? So sand would take us into this, and we got OG, right?
Oh, gee.
OG, boom. And since we OG is not found inside the any of these words,
Okay.
right? We can just return back and return
Turn
false, pretty
false.
much. False and false. Yes, sir.
What's
And
the
then, I mean, the
catch?
same thing. What's the catch? I'm
What's the
not sure.
catch?
I think the catch here is finding the base case. Because what is the base case?
What if
You know?
it's an empty
That
string?
see, I was thinking something like that. What if it's an empty string or we go out of bounds?
Like how so? Stay with me.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm here.
Okay.
Hello.
What I was saying was how
Yeah.
so?
I'm here.
Like how would you go out of bounds?
Ooh. Because I mean, OG, right? Once you want to try to add, like, for example, 3, right? You want to add 3 to the OG. OG is gonna be out of bounds because, in essence, right? These are gonna be labeled 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 9. Those are indices 8 and 9, right? Once you add 3 to 8, you're going beyond 9, right? You're like, because the word dog cannot be found in 2 letters,
Yeah.
right? So that's how you're going beyond the you're going out of bounds of the string. So if you go out of bounds of the string, that means you can't find it. If you can't find it, that means that the word or the string that you have, cats and dog, or whatever, however you pronounce it, cannot be made of the words inside, or cannot be segmented into the words found in dictionary, because OG is going to be left out.
Yeah.
Here, real one. Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay? That's my approach. That's the way I'm thinking about it.
No, I think I see it. Well,
Yeah.
sorry. I would just imagine
It's
that
all good, man.
you do cats first. Is that correct?
Okay, yeah, we
Then you
can
do
go for
and.
cats.
Then you do
Yeah.
and now next, if nothing matches OG, you stop. So,
Yeah, you stop OG.
and then what's the case in which it goes out of bounds again?
In OG, right here.
Yeah, but you don't. There's the base case before it even. Like, how would it go
I
out of
mean,
bounds
yeah,
in
that
OG
is
if
true.
you're returning false?
That is true. Hmm. You're right. Rufus, bro, you got me in a pickle here.
No, but I don't think it's a pickle or anything. I think as you're talking about a pickle, I have these jars of pickles.
Yeah.
And I haven't touched them in a while. Like I like, like
Really?
sometimes I enjoy a green cucumber that's been
Green pickle?
soaked in. That's been soaked in
Yeah.
a ferment. No, it's not fermented. It's what is it like? It's a cucumber,
I
but
think
it's like a.
fermented. Fermented, I think that's the right word to use. Fermented?
Well, I
Yeah, because if
enjoy
it's
a cucumber,
fermented cucumbers.
a sour cucumber.
Sour cucumbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Do
Anyway,
you
sorry,
think
sidetrack.
leaving them like more in the, like, on the, what is it, vinegar? I think. What's
Yeah.
the
I don't know what it is,
yeah,
to be honest with you.
do you think leaving it more in the jar gives it a better taste, like a stronger taste, or is it just like the same? Because you mentioned like you been leaving it there for a couple days now. So do you think it's
Whoa! Why are you leaking
no,
my
hey,
stuff?
Hey, you said right
No, I'm
now.
saying I have
You
a
said right
jar.
there.
Like, you know how pickles come in a
Okay, yeah, but
jar?
yeah,
Yeah, I have a jar of pickles that I
yeah.
haven't
Well,
touched in a
do you
while,
think leaving
actually.
them in the ooh, Fazbo.
But
We
that's
got
what
an
I'm saying.
entire
Like,
ecosystem in there.
they're they're in a jar for a reason. Like, they're meant to like stay
That is
sealed.
true. That is true. That is
But
true.
like I was
Do you
saying
think the
is,
longer time?
okay, keep
Yeah.
going.
Do you think the longer the time the pickle or the cucumber sits in the jar, the better the taste, the stronger the taste, or just the same?
I think me personally, I enjoy more sour. Like I would
More sour? Okay,
the
okay,
the
okay.
more sour it is, the better.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
I respect that. I respect that. Okay. I feel you. Feel you.
Do you remember?
Yes,
Maybe you
sir.
didn't have it at school, but they would sell like pickles out after school for like $1.
Yeah, yeah, we had that. Yeah, we had that too. Yes, yeah. They would sell them like in a little bag or something like that.
Yeah,
Like a little
yeah,
bag or brown. I'm
yeah.
not sure if it was brown or clear bag, but it was
No,
in a
no.
bag for
For me, it
sure.
was a clear bag, like just a simple bag
Yeah. Okay,
with the
okay.
pickle. Interesting
Yeah, never
times,
bought the
man.
never.
I bought them.
Yeah, never been fun of like pickles, sour stuff.
Oh
Nah,
yeah, you don't
not my
like
cup of
pickles?
tea. Yeah, yeah.
We're
Yes,
back.
sir. I don't know. We're back. We're back. We're back. Hey, it's all good though. All good. No, makes this time more funner. Righty. So where we left off?
We left
On the
off
OG part.
saying how what if it goes out of bounds, but I was arguing that it won't
Yeah,
reach out of bounds because OG's not gonna match and then boom,
yeah,
like
yeah. I get you. I get you. I get you. Okay, okay. Hmm. Let's think about. Let's think about it. Uh, not sure how to tackle that thing because you do bring a good point where we do have to figure out how to how to capture those. I mean, we can do something similar to what we did on the coins, where we captured the coins that were gonna give us negatives.
uh-huh.
I don't know if you remember, like when the for loop, it checked if this coin subtracted to the amount I have is a negative. We don't do anything, we just skip it.
Yeah, I
We can do
remember that.
something like that. We can do something like that, right? For example, if we do something like that, we have sand, right? And then OG comes in here and we loop through each of these like cats, dog, sand, and cat, right? And we check, hey, does cats plus OG is out of bounds? Well, yes, skip it. Dog, skip it. Sand, skip it. And skip it. Cat, skip it, right? If we skip each of them, we just return false,
Yeah.
right? Because OG, whatever we add to OG is going to return false. We can apply the like that similar logic what we did with coins, but now with the strings. That'd be an interesting approach.
Well, you let me know.
Hey,
I'm ready to
sir.
start coding.
Yeah, I'm down to do that. I'm down to do
All
that
right.
for sure, for sure. All right, and I think the memo is gonna be easy because I think it's just the indices. We do find uh a word. For example, here, cats, right? If we find cats, right? Oh no,
Where you at?
cats, right? I'm on the bottom.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
in the
back.
bottom. Yeah. Right here, for example, um, cats, right? Cats at position I will equal true, I think, or something like that, right? Mm, yes, I think so. Or wait a minute. Ooh. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. For example, cats will at position 0 will equal true or false if we do find, it would be the resultant of everything. For example, if we take cats, the path of cats, right? We start with cats and we get and OG, right? Position 0 or indices 0 will equal to the true and false of the entire of all that branch of the tree.
Okay.
I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That'd be the like the plan. Yes, sir.
Okay, guide me.
Got you. Okay. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
on
So
half a
first,
brain cell.
hey, I good, bro. I good, bro. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. We to help each other out. All right. All right. First of all, I'm gonna lower your stream volume here in Discord.
Okay.
You're good though. You're good though. It's just that, yeah, right there. So I had it a little bit too loud on my end. All good though. Okay. So first of all, I'd create a memo, right? Memo and set it to all. I would say false. And yeah. That's gonna be equal to the length of s. Yes. Yeah. Length of s. I would do that. Yeah. I think that would work. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yes. I know there's some like implementation issues we had the other time, but I think we should be good though.
I'm not gonna test it.
Not. All right, you're not gonna test it?
No.
Okay. So, let's just assume it works. Alrighty. So, we're gonna define a new function called recursion, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you, my guy. Right? And we're gonna take in, right, an indice, right? Yes, an indice. Yeah, just I think we just need an indice, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and that's pretty much an index, a starting index. That's gonna be our delimiter per se, right? It's a hash. Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to check if the position in memo at that index equals to, well, we just return ufas. Let's see. Okay, I see. Hmm. Hmm. That's interesting to see. Cause here we want to return it, right? But if it's inside indice, right? If indice, ufas, bro.
Oofas.
Ufas, bro. Ufas. Instead of an array, let's make it a dictionary. Make
Okay.
memo a dictionary. Yeah, that I think that way it will work a little bit better. Yep, yeah. And it's the I don't really know how to make a dictionary. Let me see. How to make a dictionary with X amount of values. Let's see. Um,
Can you do that?
I think so. But I'm not sure. I think I'm not sure if there's a way, like, how in arrays we can do times 3 times 5 or times X.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to if you can do that with dictionaries.
Well, what are you trying to make the
Let me see.
default thing to be?
Well, that's the thing. I think false. Yeah, keep it a false. But the thing is that I don't want to return the value. So it's because if we do if memo index at I, right, that's gonna return whatever it is, right? and or no, we want the value of false and true, right? Like we
Okay.
cannot skip a false value or false indice just because it's false. When that false is equal as important as true, so we can't skip them. And if we do if memo index, right, that's only going to return trues, right? So that might create like an error, right? Like a recursive error where we're just changing, trying to we just get the trues and the false we ignore them. So it's like doing none of the work pretty much. I don't know if that makes sense.
No, I think it makes sense.
Yeah. So with a dictionary, right, we kind of remove that error by just checking if it's in the dictionary. If it's in the dictionary, right, we can we can wait a minute. We just need to create a dictionary. Yeah. Yeah, if it's in the dictionary, right,
Okay.
we just return its indices. So yeah, just like that. Yeah, if index in memo, right, we return whatever the value is.
Right? Like if it doesn't equal none.
Um yes, I think so. Yes.
Okay. Else.
Uh okay, so here, okay, if memo, no, we no else, just like that. Boom, easy, just like that.
Okay.
Easy squeezy lemon squeezy, right? If memo is not none, right? If it's none, that means it's not been initialized, then return yes, just like that. Alrighty.
Okay.
So now we're gonna go now with the for loop. So we're gonna do for w in word dictionary or word, yeah, word DC, yeah, right, like that. Boom. So that's gonna pretty much loop through the words and save them on W. So now we're gonna check if the current W that we have, right, plus the indice, so it's gonna do if length of I. Yeah, yeah. If the length of W plus I is less than it, right? No, just W, just W, just W. Yeah. Then plus plus index, right, is less than or equal to the length of S. Yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that. Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then we have to no, that's not the last step. We know
Oh.
that's inside the index, right?
Yeah.
Now we have to check if the substring, right, of S from index to length it's equal to word. So to do that, we're gonna go we can do it in the same if statement. So if you want to go back up to the last line, are good, and we can click end. So we're gonna do S square bracket, we're gonna do indice, yeah, plus indice, no, yeah, colon. It's just a single colon all the way to the length of W. And I think it's a -1 here, if I'm not mistaken. Index. So let's see. Let me see. Let me think. Yeah, I plus the length of W.
I
So
plus the
where the
length.
colon, no, index plus the length of W. Yeah. So yeah, next to the colon,
Okay.
right there, index plus to the right, to the right of the colon.
So no colon.
So no, colon, index plus. Yeah, index plus. There we go. To the
Okay.
length of W. Yeah, just like that.
Yep.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So
Easy
now,
peasy.
if lemon squeezy. So now, if that's true, right? If it's inside the array, right? If it's inside this length, and if it's equal to the word, oh, we have to check that too. So if we go back to the if statement, but that's my bad. To the inside the for loop, the statement inside the for loop, all the way to the end, where yeah, right there, equal W. Yes, so that means, right, so we already checked if it's inside the range and if it's equal to the value, right? If equal
Okay.
to the word. If so, right, here comes the fun part, right? We're gonna go to the inside the if statement, right? Just like that. Boom. We're gonna do if recursion, right? If recursion I or index in this case plus the length of W. No. Inside the parentheses, yeah, plus the length of W. So pretty much we're moving the index to the next W. Like we're just shifting it by the amount of letters of the
Okay.
that we're trying to do, right? If that's true, right, we're gonna save it in our memo. So if recursion that, we're gonna save it in our memo. So just like that. Give me one second. My things got disconnected.
All good.
Give me 1 second. 1 second. Hello. I think I'm
Hey.
good. Good.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm good. Okay, here I am. Sorry about that. So with this, right, we're gonna equal it to true, right? We're gonna set that memo index to true. Yay
Plus
or
length.
nay? No, it's just no plus length, just the index. Yeah, because the index is gonna represent is basically saying at this position,
Okay.
uh, onward, I am true. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if if in the first if statement, right? If we didn't find okay, right there we're gonna return true as well, right? Saying like, hey, we returned true. I think so. Yes. Boom. So here, that's pretty much in the ideal world, like that, right? But if we didn't find a word that's inside the range and it's equal to the word, we're gonna set memo index outside the for loop, right? Because if we already iterate through other words and we didn't find the words that fit, we're gonna memo at index equal to false, and we're gonna return false as well. Yes. So that's pretty much what it's trying to do. Yay or nay?
Yay.
Yay. Alrighty. So, and I think the -1 in line 12 on the second condition next to the end, to the right of the end. Yeah, I don't think we need it. I don't think so. I think we should be good like that.
Okay.
Yes, we don't need it because the colon, right, already does the -1 for us. So we should
Yes,
be
it's exclusive.
it's exclusive, yes sir. So that's why the -1 is not necessary there. So here to call the function, we just say def 0, the recursion 0. Yeah, and if you want, we can return that statement in line 20. Just, yeah, return, and that should work, hopefully. Not sure. Okay. Hmm. Um,
Oh.
let's see. Ufas.
Oh, it's supposed to be a key. It's supposed to give it a key.
Oh, okay. I see. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah,
So
because
why
if
why
it
would
doesn't,
an
if the
array work?
because an array, pretty much we want to know if it's false or true, right? So if it's false, we want that false, right? And if it's true, we want to have that true, right? But if we set an array to all trues, right, or all falses in the beginning, and we do, okay, index 0 in an array, it counts, it's there, right? And it's false, and we return false, that means the entire array or the entire string is false in the beginning, right? Because
Okay.
we set let's say we had a string of 10 letters, and we have an array of 10 of size 10, and all the indices are false, right? And we say, all right, recursion start at index 0. So we go to the array, right? Look at it 0 and say, hey, right? Are you false? Yes, return. If you exist in this array, which index 0 exists in the array, return whatever it is, which is false. And that's gonna kind of like deviate us, or it's gonna just return false to everything. I don't know if that makes sense.
I think it
Yeah
makes
or nay?
sense. I think.
Yeah. You think? Okay, okay, okay. So here we need a way to create. Damn, that's interesting. Okay, okay. Yeah, because we need to figure out a way to check, like, hey, is this indice inside memo, right? Or what if, right? What if, right? Hmm. Okay, what if, right? We create a key, right? We just need one key, right?
Okay.
What if we just create a random key, but we know for sure it's not gonna be there, right? Let's say -1 will equal to false in memo. -1 will equal to false.
But I think the key has to be a string, no?
I mean, we're working with indices, so
Not
like
in
the
a
indice.
dictionary.
What do you mean?
A dic- I understand we're working with indices, but the dictionary, I think it takes um strings for keys. No? Oh no.
I don't think so. I don't think. I think it could be words. I don't. I think it can be whatever data type. I'm not sure, but I don't. If you want, I can confirm that to you.
Let's confirm that.
Yeah. Does Python dictionary keys have to be strings? Um. Yeah, it can be any immutable data type like numbers, strings, tuples, etc.
Okay.
So I think we should, yeah. So I think if we run it, it might work. Hopefully,
Right here,
hopefully.
do I put -1? Or no?
No, you could start at 0. Yeah, we just need one key for it to look in the dictionary and say like, hey, fast. Okay, I see. Because this is dictionary, we cannot do it like a string. We have to do if indice in memo. If index in memo. Yeah, just like that. We run this and see how it works. See how the chat is doing. Ufas. Hmm.
Okay.
We're returning false at everything. Huh. That is very interesting. Very interesting. Mm, mm, very interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, well, right here, I mean, we're always going to return false.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's always returning false. If length.
Isn't it right here? In here, you put
Okay.
else memo equals false, return false.
Mm, we can do that. We can do that.
Or right here. Which one?
We can
I
try it
think
there.
they'd
Let's
both be
see.
the same. Which one?
I think the outside one. Yeah, the outside
Outside.
one.
Outside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think we're almost there. We just need to figure out this. Debug. Okay, we're still returning false. So let's see. For
Oh,
W and
I
work.
think it's this one, honestly. I think it's this one.
Okay. All right, let's go. Let's try it out. Let's see. Okay. Hey, I'll get that. I'll get that. I'll get that. Trying to figure it out. We're trying to figure it out. Okay. So let's do case. Let's see. Let's run it through. So
Okay.
we go to 0, right? We get length word, which is right, which is that.
We got one sub.
Hey, who was it? Who
Appreciate
was the
you. I don't
sub?
know, but I saw the counter go up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for subbing. Thank you for
We're
subbing. Hopefully
30
you stay
away.
here. 30
30
away from
away.
baby. 30 away.
30
Okay.
away from 500.
Yes,
Dude,
sir.
what if we hit 500 during our 1 year mark?
Ooh. Ooh. That'd be special. That'd be extra special. Yeah. Hey, we're not that far. We're 30 subs away. 30 subs
Yeah.
away. Not that far. We're not that far. So there's hope. There's hope. Yes, sir. Okay. So if you come in here, mm, um, huh. That's very interesting indeed. Okay, so I think I know what's happening. You see on line 12 on the first is on the first condition on the length. Yeah, wrap the length, the addition in a parentheses. And the index right there. Because I think the index is being checked if less than or equal to length s, and not the
Okay, and then what
addition.
about this right here?
I think, let's see. Let's leave it there and see if if those two changes work. If now we go back to the original. Okay. Try moving the if else statement one back. Yeah. Try moving it to its original spot, like after the for loop. Right there. Ufas. Man, brother, I think we're cooked.
Oh,
We're cooked.
my bad. I didn't mean to do that.
We cooked, brother. We cooked.
We're not cooked. We're seasoned.
We're seasoned.
We're not cooked yet. We just got some seasoning on us.
Yes, sir. All good though. All good though. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
I'm still thinking that once this recursion keeps hitting, blah blah blah, comes back out, this is always gonna hit.
I mean, the way I
Guarantee.
think,
Or
um,
it will only hit if this one doesn't.
it's because here, what this recursion is gonna do, right? Is gonna go to, for example, in LeetCode, it's gonna say leet, right? It's in there, and it's gonna call again the recursion, right? This recursion now gets code, and code is there, right, on the dictionary. So it's gonna return true, true, right? So memo at index will go to true and return true, and I don't
Bro,
think we're gonna hit
back.
uh hit the false, because if it's true, the recursion, if the recursion index plus, if that statement is true, we won't be hitting the false.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
you're saying.
if you, yeah, if you want, we on the second if statement, On the first if statement, we can print out word, like the actual word.
Here.
No. On the line 13 or now 12. Yeah. Yeah, inside the first if statement. Yeah, right there. Can I print word or just W right there? And just run it. Let's see. Lead code. So it is returning lead and is returning code, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. Okay, I see what's happening now here. I think I know what's happening.
Okay.
And is let's see. Because we are getting leak and we're getting code, right? And then we do recursion index plus the length. Oh, okay, I see what this means now. Okay, I see what this means now. So we have another base case. Um, okay, I see. Oh, so if you want to go to line 7,
Line 7.
yeah, right there. Do if index equal to length. Oh no, just give me a second. Okay, there we go. Yes. So yeah, yeah, just like that. Equal to W, return true. Yes. And if we
Run it.
run that, yeah, uvas. Oh no, S. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. So what's happening here is that code, right? Once code was true, right? Well, since the first if statement in line 15 was able to find code inside the
Uh-huh.
string, it was calling recursion again. That recursion was going index, right? Plus the length of W. And the index would get updated and there would be no word inside the dictionary, right? Every word, since the previous recursive statement like moved the indice to the last letter, right, of the string, every word will make it out of bounds, and therefore will return false.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Okay. Any more test cases? Connecting and disconnecting.
What?
Hello. Okay. No. My headphones keep disconnecting and connecting. We're here though.
Please.
Mm, sir.
Dare
All
I
right.
run it? Dare I submit?
Submit it, brother. Submit it. Hungry for a burger, buddy. I'm hungry. You're hungry, brother.
Get me
We
out of here.
we eat
Please.
we eat those. We
Good
eat
stuff,
those.
Jose. I need you to carry, bro. You don't understand how
Hey,
tired I
our
am.
good bro. Hey, our good bro. I understand, brother. I understand. That's what we're
Oh,
here for.
man.
We're here for to help each other. Little nice stream, something nice. A little quick problem here, And hey, thank you for staying here, brother. I
Yeah,
thank you
man. I'm
for
about to
powering
jump
it
in the
through.
bed and go to bed.
Hey, you deserve it, brother. It's been a rough couple days. So hey, you deserve it, brother.
I
You
appreciate that.
deserve it.
You do the outro, man,
It's
please.
I got you, brother. All right, guys. It's gonna be quick and easy. Thank you guys for coming in. It was a slow. It was a short stream. Kind of short, right? An hour 15 or so. Just a little small problem, right? Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you guys like it, right? Leave a like for Carlos because he's sleepy. So all that. So thank you guys for coming in, tuning in, and see you guys next week. And thank you guys for everything. Yeah. Bye bye.